Raise your hand if you've ever tried meditating, and within 10 seconds, your brain suddenly remembers every awkward thing you've ever done. Newsflash: meditation isn't about silencing your thoughts. That's like trying to stop waves in the ocean. The secret, it's way simpler, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it. No apps, no incense, no sitting cross-legged for hours. Most people think meditation means empty your mind, become a Zen master, never get stressed again. Nope. Real meditation is just noticing your thoughts, not fighting them. Think of it like this: your mind is a puppy. You don't yell at a puppy for wandering off, you gently bring it back. And guess what? That's the practice. Here's how to start in 3 stupidly simple steps. Step number 1. The one breath reset. Forget 20 minutes a day. Start with one intentional breath. Breathe in for 4 seconds, out for 6. That's it. Do this anytime you're stressed, waiting in line, before emails, even mid-argument with your sibling. Why it works? You're not meditating, you're just pausing. And those tiny pauses rewire your brain over time. Step number 2. The 5-second anchor trick. Mind will wander. Instead of freaking out, pick a anchor: your breath, a sound, or the feeling of your feet on the floor. When you notice thoughts drifting, gently return to that anchor. No scolding yourself. Pro tip: try this with a mundane activity. Focus on the soap bubbles. Boom, you're meditating without even trying. Step number 3. The 3-minute messy meditation. Perfect meditation is a myth. Meditate badly. Sit however you want, yes, even slumped. Let noises happen. If your brain races, whisper. Thinking, and softly return to your breath. Key mindset: it's not about getting it right, it's about showing up. Even 30 seconds counts. Recap. Step 1. One breath is your reset button. Step 2. Remember anchors, it is your gentle guide back. Step 3. You can do messy counts, there is no perfection needed. Try one today. Comment. Anchored if you're giving this a shot. And if this helped, hit like. It helps others find these tiny life upgrades. Remember, meditation isn't a chore, it's a micro vacation for your brain. Now go forth and don't empty your mind, just notice it.